We have Dipinder Singh Hooda along with us. Congress Haryana is holding a protest against the ED, and right now they are setting in on protest at Sector 3 police station. Hooda sir, what's basically the allegation? The allegation that's been placed. What's your allegation that agencies been misused? How they treating the case, and what impact Congress feels by this action?
See, it has been 11 years since they've been in government. In these 11 years, investigation agencies have been time and again been misused to target political opponents. 911 political cases have been filed by the ED on political personalities, MPs, MLAs, etc.
900 cases.
911 across the country, and not one has resulted in a conviction. And not one case has been filed on any of the BJP leader. BJP is in government in so many states. Everybody knows how their ministers and their governments are looting the people of this country. What kind of corruption is going on there? Unchecked. But not a single case has been registered by ED against one BJP leader. All the 911 cases that have been registered by ED in the last 11 years have been against their political opponents, against the Congress leaders, other parties' leaders, especially Congress and our leadership. Sonia ji, Rahul ji are their prime targets. This is a completely false case.
What could be the intentions regarding whole this?
They want to suppress the voice of the opposition, number one. Number two, certain people, they want to put pressure. You must have seen so many leaders. When the cases were filed against those leaders, they joined BJP. There are many examples. And then they got relief in those cases.
What do you demand by this protest now? So what should be the way out?
The way is we are going to fight from the street to the parliament. We are going to fight. The voice of opposition cannot be suppressed. The voice of the Congress party cannot be suppressed. The voice of Rahul ji cannot be suppressed. So we are all going to fight the Congress.
But one statement is for the agencies or for the BJP party that law is taking its course, and the investigating agency has charge sheeted them. So it's the law that's taking place.
No, 911 cases registered by ED in last 11 years. Not one against not one BJP leader. Is this law taking on course?
So how will you fight back this?
No. So we are fighting. We are going to fight from the street. We are going to take it to the people. Our voice will not be suppressed.
What is the message for the people of Haryana?
No, we will fight this undemocratic, unconstitutional work practice by the BJP will not be tolerated.
So you have also faced many cases in Haryana. I'll ask the Bhupinder Singh Hooda. Hooda sir, how you see this case that the ED has filed against?
The charge sheet they have filed, you see, and they filed for money laundering. There is no money laundering because the property belongs to trust, and the condition nobody can sell it. It is no profit, no loss.
पर हुड्डा साहब वो कह रहे हैं कि ये तो हुड्डा साहब वो कह रहे हैं कि ये तो कानून काम कर रहा है.
कानून नहीं कर रहा, कानून तो है. कानून तो ये है, मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग ये है कि कहीं पैसे का दुरुपयोग हुआ हो. नो प्रॉफिट नो लॉस है. किसी ने अपने लिए ना बेच सकता है ना खरीद सकता है. तो ये राजनीतिक प्रतिशोध से.
अब पूरे केस को कैसे देखते हैं, क्योंकि कई दफा इन्वेस्टिगेशन
पॉलिटिकल मैंडेटा.
कैसे इसका वे आउट क्या है, कैसे लड़ाई लड़ेगी कांग्रेस?
लड़ाई लड़ रही है. हम सड़कों पे भी लड़ेंगे, हम कोर्ट में भी लड़ेंगे, हम पार्लियामेंट में भी लड़ेंगे.
आपके खिलाफ भी कई केसेस हरियाणा में या सेंट्रल एजेंसीज ने किए, तो उन केसेस को कैसे देखते हैं आप?
मैं तो कोर्ट में लड़ रहा हूँ.
एजेंसी की कार्रवाई कैसे देख रहे हैं?
बता दिया ना मैं. वो तो मैं पहले कह चुका.
दुरुपयोग है वैसे.
10 साल पुरानी बात अब नहीं पूछ सकते. मैं एक बात कहता हूँ. उस टाइम मैंने कह दिया था दिस इज पॉलिटिकल वेंडेटा. I stand what I said it.
आज भी दुरुपयोग है एजेंसीज का.
I stand what I said it.
भूपिंदर सिंह हुड्डा और दीपिंदर हुड्डा बातचीत कर रहे थे, एंड दे वर टॉकिंग टू इंडिया टुडे द होल केस दैट हैज टेकन प्लेस अगेंस्ट गांधी फैमिली और द कांग्रेस पार्टी.